Well, let's see if I can finish this lesson. So what I wanted to show you was if we go back to our y equals mx plus b, y equals a absolute value x minus h plus k, y equals a x minus h squared plus k. The b, remember, was our y-intercept. So this is going to shift up if it's positive, and it will shift down if it's negative. But for these two here, the HK stays our vertex, and the H shifts right. Let me start that over again. And X minus H, whether it's a parentheses or an absolute value, and X minus H is going to shift right H, and X plus H shifts left H. A plus K will shift up K, and a minus K will shift down K. And that's going to work for both the cube equation, y equals x minus h cubed plus k, and the cube root. We also can put our a here. Y equals a, cube root x minus h plus k. Your parent function for these are the x cubed and the cube root of x. Those are your parent functions. That gives you the shape. Okay, I'm going to post a worksheet. Do the best you can on it. I'll try to see if I can find a video also to add. Have a good day. Come into office hours. Come into office hours this afternoon if you want some more help, more practice with these. Have a good day. And I think that's going to be homework 14. Bye.